The first order of business obviously is to electrify the province. Until today, we're very, very slow. We're going at the dismal rate of only 8% of the backbone. So dapat paspasan yan. Sinugod na namin dyan sa Vintar, ang INEC. Pero kulang na kulang yung lineman. Ang dami-dami lang tinanggal. Di naman pala nag-train ng bago. Ngayon, nangangarag tayo. Nagpapatulong tayo sa public works. Wala naman silang alam sa kuryente. Marami siyang equipment. Wala, maaakyat. So this is the situation. Unfortunately, it's not a good one. And we're asking for help. And I think several teams are coming from Tarlac through the NEA, and a whole group is also coming from Pangasinan. So nakakaya to, pero kailangan talaga kumatok tayo sa ibang lugar at magpatulong. Ang dami-dami nating windmill, dami-dami nating kung anong solar. Yung pala, walang kuryente. Ano ba naman to? Talagang nakakaya, nakababain. And we have to work on this and ratchet up our electrification effort. We're far behind. Obviously, we got hit by a typhoon that has been the strongest in many decades, but still, our response needs to be better. Ayun, walang natirang palay, walang natirang mais, kung ano man ang nandyan, talagang nawala na. Pero, ang maganda, nasa vegetative stage pa lang naman, masamang loob ko kasi inutos nating lahat mag-early planting. Hindi ko naman alam na early bagyo din. Nevertheless, I think since it's still in the early stages, baka naman may bukid na salvageable pa rin. Lagyan na lang natin ng organic, tulungan na lang natin mabuhay muli ang mga nalunod na tanim. And let's see what we can do. I need to also get an assessment on livestock because livestock constitutes such a large portion of family income. No? So yung mga baka na nawala, ang alam ko dyan sa Dingras, marami, Lawag, maraming natangay sa Pasukin, sa dating stock farm, marami rin. So, I think we need to assess that right away, lalong-lalo na yung mga baka. The next item, of course, will be the disease, no? We're very concerned. There are great pools of stagnant water everywhere. We need to disinfect them as soon as possible at mag-umpisa ng Oplan Dalus. So, I'm enjoining all the mayors to organize as quickly as possible, lalo na yung mga barangay na coastal at hindi na aabutan, na gumawa na ng mga team para sa Oplan Dalus at ayaw naman natin na yung susunod sa bagyo, sakit naman ng malaria, cholera, dengue at iba pa. So let's start working on this. In the meantime, the governor has ordered that all supplies be sent out ASAP, whether they're gensets for San Marcelino Dingras, for Upper and Lower Surong, for Davila and Dilavos side. I think we have to send them out very, very quickly. Ganon din yung mga food packs. Ang dami-daming nagdo-donate. Huwag na magtagal dito sa Kapitolyo. Ilista, i-acknowledge at ipalabas. At lahat ng meron dito, ipamigay na sa lalong madaling panahon.